Customer will generally receive an email through the pre-configured email ID, but let's say if you want emails to be sent through your personal email ID, in that case you can configure the SMTP into your back office. Now in order to do so, we'll jump into the back office, then navigate to the settings, then website settings, and in the left we have SMTP settings. Now right now it's using inbuilt email. Now we'll click on custom, and then we can put the email ID, then password, then host. It should be something like no reply at yourdomain.com, and then you can put your password. This would be just be used for the promotional emails or the transactional emails. That's it. Then host, port, whether the SSL is on and off, and the background color of the email, and strip background of the PDF. So this way we can customize the sender. Do let us know in case if you have any questions or feedbacks in the below comment box, and do follow us for more such informative videos. Thanks for watching.